It's not how many moments you live, but how you live each moment. Hi, I'm Colin and this is Fit2Thrive, where I combine all my passions to explore just what humans can achieve and how you can do it too. I'm as guilty as anyone else of wasting my time and not always knowing which route to take in life. So I have to thank the people I've known who understand how to use their time well, because they helped me change my life. The problem I found was that I was often fighting my nature instead of using it as a strength. So I've spent decades learning how to live each moment as me, making the most of every challenge I've faced. I could never figure out how to share this with others because humans are so complicated that it takes a lot of time and effort to learn enough. What's working best is to learn one thing from small moments in my normal busy life. The photos you see here capture moments I've enjoyed living naturally in the modern world that will be remembered for a lifetime, while providing the deep benefits gained from following my nature and being in the moment. I'm sharing this journey because I want others to enjoy better moments too and feel the nourishment they bring to your life. So please enjoy the site and let me know about the moments you've enjoyed and those you'd like to enjoy in the future. Thanks for popping by, and I hope to see you here again soon. Have a great day.